Hi, and welcome to an intro video on the SPX Flange spreader kit. The kit we're showing today is a dual spreader kit. It comes with a single pump, a manifold block, 3 sets of hoses, one to go from the pump to the manifold block, and then 2 hoses to go from the manifold block to each of the spreaders. The kit comes with either the step shoe version or the serrated shoes. Optional handles are included for each of the pumps. We include the all-important Allen key to be able to change out the shoes if you buy the extra optional shoes. We also have 2 spreader blocks, or step blocks, to support the flange during a step lift included in the kit. In addition to the dual spreader kit, SPX also offers a single spreader kit. It comes in the same great case as the dual spreader kit and allows for easy expansion into a dual spreader kit should your jobs change and you need 2 spreaders instead of 1.
The SPX Flange Spreader Kit can be used to spread any type or size of flange connection. The tool operates at 10,000 psi and is capable of 33,000 pounds of maximum spreading force. When using on larger flanged applications, it is recommended 2 spreaders are used adjacent to one another and will provide a maximum combined force of 66,000 pounds of flange spreading force. We will now show you the complete setup and operation of the SPX Flange Spreader Kit. First, always make sure you have the proper PPE for the job you are working. It normally consists of gloves, safety glasses, and steel-toed boots, but check with your site manager before you begin work to ensure you are following all safety guidelines. After removing the dust caps, always inspect your fitting prior to connecting to ensure there is no dirt or debris on them. The first step in assembling the flange spreader kit is connecting the pump to the manifold. Take the hydraulic hose and insert the quick coupler into the hand pump. Make sure to tighten the fitting completely. An optional handle can be installed to assist in keeping your hands away from the tools. Then assemble the hoses to the manifold and the open end of the hoses to each flange spreader. Follow the same process for the second spreader. Always make sure the valves on the manifold block are open all the way during setup. Install the first flange spreader in the flange. Spreading most flanges is a 2-man job, 1 man for running the pump unit and the other for holding the spreaders in place. On larger flanges, it may require 3 men, 2 to hold the spreaders and 1 running the pump. Before you begin, make sure to close the valve on the manifold and on the pump unit. Then start pumping the hand pump until the spreader has reached its maximum width. At that point, take a step block and install it in the gap on one side of the flange between the bolts to hold it in place. Open the valve on one side of the manifold to a single spreader only and then release the pressure on the pump by opening the valve. Remove the spreader on that one side and repeat the same process for the other side and safely remove the other spreader. You can repeat this entire process until the flange is spread to the desired width. When process is completed, be sure to replace the dust caps on the end of the couplings to prevent dust and dirt from getting in the fittings while in storage. The SPX Flange Spreader is available for rent or for sale. Contact your nearest representative or an SPX Bolting System Service Center for more information.